Okay, all the rust spots have now been treated with rust converter or rust killer and the 2-pack system, and also the liquid rubber coatings. You see the bits on the side here on this flashing, that's actually not necessary, but there was just a little bit of well, it's very hard to say. It was corrosion, but it wasn't rust. It's just some of the zinc coating is starting to get a little bit funky, and so I just put that down there it's been cleaned, but there's no point putting rust converter on because it's not rusty. So rust converter is not going to do anything unless there's rust. So there wasn't rust there. I'll show you an example of what I'm talking about. Right there, you can see that white. That's just some of the zinc coating that's oxidized, but that's not rust in the normal context. So that's good as gold there, and that's just to slow that corrosion down. That's all. That'll stop the corrosion. That's all good. And let's quickly duck over here. You see that's all done. Now, what I think is, when you said you had a leak was coming in, I have a feeling that might be coming. I'll take you down here. I don't know if you can see that under there. That's under the back of the roof there. And so maybe what needs to happen is we put a flashing, we join a flashing here over to here and stop the water from getting up under here. The water's getting up underneath there and getting over. Anyway, we opened this up and have a look in here in the box gutter, and it's as clear as a bell. There's nothing in there, there's no leaves or anything. So that's certainly not causing, unless the box gutter itself's got problems. Anyway, that's it.